side of the strip and representing the red, please, Mr. Michael McDarby. Mr. McDarby hails from Amsterdam, New York, and fences out of the Swords and Strategy Fencing Club. Again, a round of applause for Michael McDarby. His opponent fencing on the right side of the strip. Please welcome Mr. Chuck Alexander. Mr. Alexander fences out of the No Fear Fencing Club. Hails from San Diego, California. Again, a round of applause for Chuck Alexander. And your referee is for the bout. On boom, Miss Holst. On video, Mr. Ivakovich. And your head referee, the incomparable Mr. Fidel.
He's been fencing 28 years, and his brother Lawrence. He's represented the United States at 15 federal world championships, winning home 10 individual medals and 1 team gold. And in Bulgaria, he took the bronze for the bronze sailor, captain 17, Ray Sexton. In 5th place, Peter.
On the first knees, these three second and Barnabas. On strip B4, middle weight and touches.
Remember the World Champion team, 5 times. Colorado.
Referee.
Coached by Yanis Walensky. He spends about 2 He's won 7 world championship medals, 8 national champions, All-American in Princeton a couple years ago, Jim Adams. Also time to go to Tom Henry. On 73, he's coached by Ray Fedor and Jenny Fedor. He spent 12 years. He took 2 second places in previous matches, plus 2 thirds, and he was 16th at the 2011 World Championship. Tom Henry. In second place, Truman Gregorian. Truman, 76 years old. He's been put from Brooklyn, New York. He's been Berlin fencing club. He's fencing for over 60 years. He's a third of the World Championship. And 8 times champion of Romania. Truman Gregorian. And our champion, Jonathan Jeffries. Jonathan is 69.5 years old. He's from Alameda, California. He plays in the fencing center. He's coached by Michael Portenhagen. He's fencing 69 years. His best result, first at the December 1997 first senior games, second Jonathan Jeffries. There are 14 members and 4 alternates. For us, the coaches and champion, Michael Portenhagen. Jonathan Jeffrey. Number 2, James Adams. Number 3, Peter Calderon. Number 4, Mark Henry. First alternate, Robert Baldwin. Second alternate, John McGrew. Third alternate, Marcel Kearney. And fourth alternate, Richard Dunlop. Congratulations.
Ready? Fence.